Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over how I made $180 instead of 1.8k because I undersized. But that's completely besides the point. It was a good trade. Obviously, journal it as a win, and that's all that matters, right? It was a good trade. So let's talk about it, right? Coming to the daily time frame, still what I don't like about this is we're trading in this daily gap, so the price is going to be undersized. What am I saying, bro? It's going to be undecisive. I'm not really sure whether we still want to continue up. I mean, technically, we're still bearish. I still like the rest of the week. I still want to see, getting. I still want to see these lows get hit and just us continue lower. That would be optimal because I just don't think. I just looking at the chart, I don't really think we're gonna bounce off of here, not sweep this low, and just gonna continue to all-time highs. I don't think that's gonna happen, but who knows? I'm not gonna be here to predict, right? I'm just gonna react to what the market is gonna give me. And yeah, that's about it. On the 4 hour time frame, again, there was still this 4 hour gap, which we inverse to the upside, but I mean, still, it doesn't really mean anything. We had this kind of a big 4 hour, which we traded into multiple times. So definitely, it wasn't a good day as far as drawn liquidity goes. Now, if I'm gonna go a little bit lower, we had pretty decent internal lows, right? So if I'm gonna use this indicator, we had Asia low, which was completely intact, and London low, which has been already swept. So it was a pretty tricky day again. Like we haven't moved that much compared to other days. Like the entire session moved like 190 points, which is nothing, right? 200 points is nothing in recent days. So yeah, the draw on liquidity pretty simple, and this is the trade, obviously, right? So again, pretty simple trade which I usually take. You see me take this setup every single day, basically, right? We market opens, we kind of put this swing higher, fail to go higher multiple times, kind of undecisive, and when market finally picks direction towards this draw on liquidity, we have a pretty decent break-even point down here, this internal low, and we see, what do we see, right? We dump towards the drawn liquidity, we do a little retrace, reverse off of it or react off of it, close super bearish, a whole lot of bearish volume coming in, just enter short on this candle close. Let me just put it here, this candle close. Fortunately, instead of one mini, I want one micro, right? Meaning my TP was fucking $60, bro. But I was on the ice, I was playing hockey, and I didn't I didn't fucking even see it. I just entered the trade, put my phone to the pocket, and I just let the trade play out. You know what I mean? So I haven't really checked what happened, and immediately dumped and took my take profit. So this was the trade for the day. I mean, super simple. And for the rest of the day, like we haven't done much. Then we obviously manipulated higher. So if anybody took longs here, I think this is a pretty decent position too, even though I don't take reversals. But this is a really decent position, I'm not gonna lie. Really good trade, small scalp, even though I didn't make any money off of it. Still a good trade. So that's all that matters, right? So that's about it, boys. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time, boys. So have a great day and see you later.